Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amazon Kindle won't charge. Stack on battery icon with exclamation mark. So first one is use the official Amazon charger and cable if possible because Kindles are picky, and make sure to plug directly into a wall outlet, not a computer, a USB. Another one is do a forced restart. So hold the power button for 40 seconds until the screen flashes, and then release it and wait for the Kindle to reboot, and this should fix the issue. Another one is try a long charge. So leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes. Even if the screen doesn't change right away, sometimes the battery is deeply drained and it needs more time to charge. And now another one is test with different compatible charger to rule out hardware issues. So maybe your charger is the problem or try out another outlet. And now guys, if it doesn't work, just simply go ahead and contact the Amazon support for repair, or the battery may be dead or the charging port is faulty.